camera kids, I'm Dr. LETSCODE. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to program Bolt robotic kit like a police car. Blissful Technology is supporting me with this video. They have cool range of STEAM educational product listed on their website, including Bolt robotic kits. Okay, so when we are programming Bolt, one thing that you need to do, so you need to have this setup block. So we always do this. We need to configure pin 18, that is where our push button is. We need to program it as input so that we can read the push button event. And also we are using LED for this one. So because of that, so you need to select this set RGB LED at pin 25. So we are going to use all 4 LEDs. Because of that, make this 4. So then wait until we press that button. So go to controls. So there select wait until such time that we press. So you need to have this block where we compare with that pin is equal to 0. That is when we press push button, and you need to select this read digital mode at pin 18. So then only we proceed this program after this point. So when we press the push button, so it advances to loop. So then in my previous tutorial, I teach you how to turn on LEDs. So because of that, I'm going to directly use them. Set. I want to, in order to do this police robot, I want to make this LED one with red color, full intensity, that is 255, full red color. Brightness also the maximum amount, and also my second LED, I'm going to make it turn off. So my third LED, I will turn on with red color again, 255. Then my fourth LED, again turn off that LED. So basically I'm going to turn on LED 1 and LED 3, so with red color. So that is why R value 255. So here after that, with a small delay, so go to control, add delay. So let's say think about delay maybe 1 second. So after that, I'm going to turn on blue color LED. So go to bolt. So add, because we turn on this with red color earlier, so now we are going to turn it off. So the second LED, so I'm going to turn on it with blue color. So make the blue color intensity 255. So then third LED, so turn it on with or maybe turn it off, because earlier we turned it on. So then turn fourth LED. Maybe again 1 second delay. So first we will upload this code kits. We will see what happened. So I'm going to turn on during first cycle. I'm going to turn on LED 1 and LED 3 with red color. So during my second cycle, I'm going to turn on LED 2 and LED 4 with blue color. So I'm going to upload this code to my bolt. So kids, before we upload it, so don't forget to select the COM port that is a bolt is linked with. So then after that, you should be able to upload this code. And carefully look at this window. This is where you see like whether program is correctly uploaded to Bolt. So you can see our program is copied to the memory. So then after that, kid, yes, I will press the push button. Okay, you can see kids LEDs attached to Bolt turn on in pattern. Maybe like I will change the pattern to maybe like bit faster. Like I'll make this delay that I put, I'll make it 0.25, maybe quarter of a second. So we'll see what happen after that. My code is still uploading, so you can see, and also carefully look at this window. Now program is copied to the Bolt's memory. So when I press the push button, it should activate. So kids, you can see it. Okay, now we will add music to this Bolt so that it look like a police car. So if you go to Bolt, so there will be pin to make sound in the buzzer. So then drag this one. So I am going to make bit high pitch, or maybe let's think about C5. I don't know much about music, so so go for C5. And when it comes to this point, we will make it chord D, D5. So then I will upload this code, kids. You can see this window. So we are copying the program to the Bolt's memory. So then now you can see Bolt here. Okay, I will push the okay. So we just make our Bolt robotic kit is a police car or maybe police bot. I hope you kids enjoy this video. So thank you very much for watching, kids. So we'll meet again with another video soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.